Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a brand new YouTube channel. So let us begin. So here I'm on my desktop. Now make sure you have your Google Chrome or a browser on your computer. So here I have a Google Chrome app. You can use this or you can use Firefox. I'm gonna use Firefox. So here we are on google.com website. Now on the top right corner you can see Gmail, Images, Google Apps and Sign In button. Let's click on this button. Now if you already have an account you can just log in, but we want to create one. So let's click on this Create Account button and it gives us three options: for my personal use, for my child and for my work or my business. So what are you creating your account for? You can choose this one or this one. I'm gonna use personally. Create a Google account. So here we have first name and last name. Let's say YouTube Academy. LLC. YouTube Academy by Leah. YouTube Academy by Leah. Click on Next. Basic information. So here we have month, day, year, and gender. For month, I'm gonna choose May 13th and 1992. Gender, male. Click on Next. Choose your Gmail address. Now, by default, Google, depending on your name, gives you some. Using your name, it can give you some email name you can use. Email name has two parts. At gmail.com, you can change this part, but you can change what's on the left side. So by Leah 0, but YouTube by Leah 885. So I don't like these options. Instead, I wanna create my own Gmail address. So I can choose the name here. YouTube Education by Leah. Now that's pretty long name. Let's just say YouTube by Leah at gmail.com. Now I said this what's on the left side you can change and make it descriptive, but what's on the right side you cannot change. That's because every website has so-called domain name and email for the domain. So because google.com and gmail.com is a website, so that's why YouTube by Leah at gmail.com. Click next. It didn't accept. Let's just use by Leah 0 and click next. Create a strong password. So here feel free to choose your password. Let's be creative here. The password 1 2 3. Pretty simple. Now you don't have to type this, just choose something and go with it. Choose something that you can remember. the password 123. Let's click on next. Add recovery email. Now if you previously have created a Gmail account, you can type it here, but if you don't have one, you can just skip. This one is optional. Review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. If you click on next, privacy and terms. So feel free to read this. I agree. And we just created a Google account. Hi YouTube Academy. So now what you wanna do, youtube.com and google.com are two different websites. So right now we are on google.com. Because google.com is a search engine, you can type youtube.com from here. Hit enter. Let's go to YouTube. You can see we are on YouTube, but here we have a profile. That's because YouTube is owned by Google. YouTube is a Google product. So by default, if you have a Google account, right now we are signed in into our Google account. So on YouTube, we automatically have the same account. The only difference is we don't have a YouTube channel. So here we have some options. If you click on your profile picture, you can see create a channel. If you click on it, it brings this pop-up box, how you will appear. Select picture, you can choose picture. I'm just gonna use, you can use one of these for now, until you get your own images. Let's just pick a random picture here. Skateboard, okay. Done. Preparing. My name on YouTube. That's the name everyone will see. YouTube Academy by Leah. That's my handle. YouTube Academy by Leah. This is the difference between a name and a handle is this one. Everyone can have this name. Everyone can have the same name. But my handle is like my ID. Everyone can find me by, putting it before my name. And it's like ID. It's unique only to me. Nobody can have this. For example, if I type Mr. Beast, I can have it. Because, it's owned by Mr. Beast. So let's say YouTube Academy by Leah. If it accepts, you can see that green sign here. So here, if you click on create channel, then it's going to create your YouTube channel. Now you're on your main homepage on YouTube. That's your channel. Here you can see it here. You can access from your profile picture. So now that you have created your YouTube channel, here YouTube takes you to your channel. On the left side you can see menu, home, shows, subscriptions, and there's you section. Here you can go to your channel, which is the same page, history playlist. Similarly, you can upload videos here. because you don't have any content, you can create here. If you click on this, it takes you to so-called YouTube Studio, where you can manage videos, comments, edit videos, and so on. These buttons also take you to YouTube Studio. But here, if you click on your profile picture, you can see view your channel. That's the same as your channel, which is this page. You can switch account, sign out, or go to YouTube Studio. That's where we wanna go. So let's click on YouTube Studio. Now that is YouTube Studio. The main menu is here. Dashboard. Right now we are on dashboard. Content, which contains your posts, videos, shorts, and live. Analytics, how each video is doing, where the users are coming from, comments for each video, subtitles, and it goes on. Copyright on. Settings, send feedback. So let's talk about each one in the next video.